Lenovo Yoga C630 WOS Convertible, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 mobile compute platform, promises exceptional battery life, always connected and always-on flexibility, and brisk performance, all in a super light, passively cooled design. Can it live up to its promises? The continued endurance of the personal computer has to thank, at least in part, the persistent innovation of manufacturers as they continue to encroach the territory of competing devices such as phones and tablets. Ultra-portable laptops aren't a new thing, with numerous models sporting paper-thin designs and a weight hovering around the 3 pounds, 1.36 kilogram mark. But today, passively cooled, silent, and always-on, aka connected standby, devices are growing in number, and with the newest chips from companies like Qualcomm, they might just be powerful enough to ride alongside their Intel-equipped counterparts to the office or school. Lenovo's Yoga C630 WOS, which stands for Windows on Snapdragon, is the latest addition to this growing field of hyper-portable laptops, and it certainly makes a statement right from the start. Its attractive aluminum case is one of the thinnest around, and performance seems quite good for such a tiny laptop without the luxury of a cooling fan. This is all thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 SoC powering it, a chip that's also responsible for some pretty terrific battery runtimes, which we'll get to in a bit. Our $940 review unit also came equipped with 8GB of RAM, 128GB UFS 2.1 Samsung storage, and a Verizon SIM card, for use with the integrated Snapdragon X20 LTE modem. This configuration also ships with a Lenovo Active Pen, though we didn't receive one with our review unit. If everything falls into place, this could be a tough package to beat for road warriors or college students interested in a highly portable daily driver to get the job done. But enough speculation, let's see how the Yoga C630 stands up to our comprehensive bevy of benchmarks, tests, and measurements.